I mean, why I'm so excited about the Parajet throttle, it's really the culmination of, I think, 24 years in business making paramotors. I mean, you know, we started out with a beautiful CNC machine hand control. It was the first Parajet hand control. It looks cool and it's a sexy bit of kit, but it's quite heavy and it doesn't have anything like the ergonomics and the thought process that's gone into this. This is really the culmination of all our years in business. It's the best throttle control we've ever built. And it's got all the flair and the design that you'd expect from Parajet, the thought that has gone into it. Really, I mean, we haven't stopped. Down to every last feature, the injection molded shape. We've got the safe start system here, which means you can only start the paramotor with 2 buttons simultaneously touched. There is no chance of starting that either with your hand in the way in a dangerous position or unintentionally. We've also got this really beautifully CNC machined trigger system. It's designed to run on 2 fingers down below, leaving 2 fingers above free to do the brakes, control the paraglider. It's left hand and right hand, so you can literally slide your hand out. Within a matter of moments, from left hand to right hand, you undo 2 screws and flip it onto the other side. So it's kind of ambidextrous hand control, very, very swiftly. We've also got the neatest cruise control we've ever conceived, actually. It's super easy to use, super lightweight. Again, can be flipped over to left hand and right hand. So all you do is while you're flying, you flick that on like that. Now you're on cruising. Whatever level you want, it's completely universal as to how many different positions it can take. And then to release it, you just flick it once. Super simple. Stop is really easy to access as well. And then I think this is another really important feature. Over the years, we've seen kind of the cables getting worn through multiple bending. The cables can crack. With this one, we made a really well reinforced rubber injection molded component that strips around the cables to prevent any chance of that being worn out or crinked inside. And we've also got it designed to run straight down the length of your arm so that there's a minimal amount of movement when you're actually flying and reaching around and moving your hand down, that it doesn't change the throttle setting, neither when it's on cruise control or whether you've got it under your hand. It just makes it that much safer to use.